Hello everyone, my name is Vlad and today I'm going to tell you about how to solve test assignments when you're changing the job. How many of you failed because of the test assignment? One? No? Everyone else? Okay, maybe it will be useless for you. So usually, not usually, but it's getting more common that new employees are giving you some test assignment to see how you code. And the best, oh wait, it's not working. Nope. So usually they ask something like, we want to look at your source code organization, and it's the best choice for you to show you're an artist. Play with the indents. Show how beautiful your code can be with different indentation style and so on. Then they will probably ask maybe write some small function with a simple interface. Show you are thinking out of the box. You don't need the functions. Create the class. Be inventive. The next, they usually also ask about writing a testable solution. Everyone wants to have automated tests. So show that Ruby is dynamic language and you can mock everything. You don't need a dependency injection. It's for juniors. If they ask you to write some tests, you don't need the tests. You always test code in the production. Again, tests for the juniors. By the way, has anyone noticed something strange in the application for this Ruby users group? Nope. Okay. When they're asking you to write some Ruby class, write the Rails model. No one using the old Ruby classes anymore. The same like Ruby users group is asking how familiar you with Ruby on Rails. Now it's going back to the more complex solutions, and usually employees want to see how you're familiar with with the design and architecture of the code. So it's time to write some hashes, build your class and make it as flexible as it can be using some strange hash variables. You don't need classes. If they insist that you need to build something more robust and extensive, something that can survive several iterations of system improvements, Ruby magic is to the rescue. Method missing is all you need to make your solution flexible. Now, if they specifically ask you about OP and we would like to see your design, see your knowledge of design patterns, use God object. It's also a design pattern. All the code in one class, always easy to maintain than thousands of different files. In case you are a top-level coder and they again asking you write us some good architecture design for us, build a pipeline, add some command, another, and eval. If juniors will be using eval, they will probably be blamed because eval is really dark magic. But if you are senior, you're allowed to use the eval. So the general advices for the test assignments would be, don't read the task. And do it as fast as possible. Everyone, the time is money. So time playing against you. Don't spend too much time. Okay, so That's probably was all my advices. I hope you guessed it's not in advices. It's everything described here is inspired by the real people. It's not juniors, it's experienced people who are solving the test assignment this way. And it's always painful to see such solutions, and the single question I always ask is what? Like, how the senior developer can create a God object and design and solve the design task with one object, or use some bad Ruby magic, or even don't indent the code. Anyway, I wish you never fail the test assignment, and I hope you will do it as good as it possible. Thanks. And by the way, we are still hiring.
Thank you.